So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you want to see how I achieve this French braided updo on my 4C natural hair, then keep on watching. So welcome back guys. First I'm just going to go in with my white tooth comb to detangle my hair, and then I'm going to go in with my tail comb and I'm going to part from ear to ear just to section off my hair. So now that I'm satisfied with what I've parted, I'm just going to go ahead now to section off my hair with my hairband, or what we guys call it, scunji, just to get it out the way so I can style the back portion of my hair. So now I'm just gonna go in with my Eco Style gel. Guys, this gel is perfect for curl patterns on natural 4C hair, well, for my 4C hair. However, it's not the best to get sleek finish, but I'm just using what I have and apply it to my hair, as you can see. Now I'm going to do the French braid in an upward motion. So first I'm going to start with 3 pieces of hair, and as I'm going up, I'm taking some of the hair from each side. You also want to make sure that the braid remains in the center of your head and not lean to either side. And guys, to be honest, it gets harder as I reach the top because the middle of my hair is it's really thick, so it's harder, so I was struggling a bit. Now that I've completed the cane row, I'm just going to use my hairpin just to hold it while I style the front portion of my hair. So now I'm applying my Eco Style gel, and then I'm just going to go in with my hairband to secure the top portion of my hair. I'm also going to remove the hairpin that I placed at the back and then put the end of that braid into the hair that I'm styling at the front. So what I'm going to do is to apply 5 small twists to my hair and then secure those twists with a rubber band. So now I'm just going to take my Gorilla Gel to reinforce my hair to let it lay perfectly, and I'm also going to lay my edges, honey. I'm going to tie this down and let it set. So the hair that I'll be using today is my Janet Afro twist hair. It's like a Marley Style type of hair. I love the texture of this hair because I think it goes well with my natural 4C hair. So what I'm gonna do is to take a portion of the hair and separate it with my hairband into 2. So now I'm just going to take the hairband and place it over my hair, and then I'm just going to take half of the hair and twist it in a downward motion. And guys, I am twisting this as soft as possible. Now the other half, I'm just going to throw it to the back just to get it out the way. I'm trying to cover my hair, but I'm going to cover it a lot better as I go along. So I'm going to take that section of the hair and I'm just going to twist it around my hair. And while I'm twisting, I'm also twirling it so that the twist can stay in place. I'm now just going to take my hairpin and I'm just going to secure that end. So now that I have completed that portion of the hair, I'm just going to take the other portion and I'm just going to do the same thing. I'm going to twist it in a downward motion as soft as possible. And then I'm just going to take that hair and I'm going to try to cover my natural hair that is at the top of the bun. And now I'm just going to twirl this around in the opposite direction around the bun itself. So now that I've created the bun, I'm not satisfied with how it looks, so I'm just going to go ahead to pull this section down and I'm just going to secure it with a bobby pin. I am just going to continue this process throughout the bun to make sure that it is to my liking. So as you can see, I'm making sure that the braid covers my natural hair, so I'm using the pin just to hide that portion of the hair. Now I'm just going to go in to accessorize my hair. I'm taking my beads and I'm just going to place it onto the hairpin and I'm just going to stick that hairpin into my bun, and I am just going to do this throughout my hair until I'm satisfied with the final look. Now guys, this is the final look, my French braided updo. It's cute, simple and elegant. Guys, you can wear this style to dinner, wedding or any other special occasion that you want. I do hope you enjoy this video. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up, comment, share and subscribe. I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching guys. Bye.